Hi everyone, Richard here. I'm currently at Cerating, Kuantan in Malaysia, and this is the Kams Surf Beach. So it's a very big beach. I will show you around. It's the first time I'm here, but it's a pretty nice place. You can see there's the beach out there, and look at that. It's so wide. It's open, so it's a wide open beach, and let's walk up to the front. You can see okay, that's where they have volleyball. There's some activities here and some camping. You use camp, but that's the beach. Look at that, mountains. You have a small pool here. It's natural pool, but when the tide comes up, it will fill up until this beach here. And lovely place. Yeah, being the first time here, so I'm not sure what should I be doing here, but I didn't bring a drone or anything, but we'll just go for a beach walk then. So at the beach at the Cerating, and I'm going to unbox this, which is similarly colored to the ground. This is for DJI Osmo Action, and it's actually a case, and this case has a 52mm thread for lens filters. So I will try this out on the Osmo Action, and we'll test out a couple of filters that I bought. So that, and this is the correct place to test it out, where there's water and look at the sun and haze as well. So a great place to test this out. Okay, this is for the Telesin metal casing with the hot shoe mounts for the Osmo Action. And first we need to pull this bracket out, the back cover, and then we slot in the entire Osmo Action in. So it goes in this way, and it fits perfectly. There's no gap, leeway at the same time, and then this cover goes back in, and it locks in with the, see the ball bearing there. So it's very simple. And this is the lens, 52mm, so with a removable filter. So I've got a couple of filters to test out, ND filter as well as the Cpl filter. So we will try out a few of them. Okay, here's the pack of filters that I have. This is a 4 lens filter. The standard being UV filter, but I have this as well, 52mm close-up 4 times filter, and oops, and this is the star filter. This is where you shine it at the lights, you get a 8-point star filter. And oops, I dropped that, that's bad. Then you have the ND filter. This is the white band where you can turn it, and then when you turn it, it becomes different variable ND darkness. So we can try this out as well. And the last filter is the This is a Cpl filter, so you can see the polarizing. Let's look at that. So we will try this out on the Osmo Action. Okay, the first lens we test is this 52mm close-up 4x lens that we shall mount on here. Okay, and I'm not sure how it looks like, but we have to check the video once it's out. So this is a 4x close-up lens. We shall try it on something, maybe a shell. How does this look like? So I hope I'm getting it. I'm not sure, but we'll check the footage when I get back out to it. So this is how it looks like. 4x close-up lens filter, so they can bring the lens closer to the object. And let's look at that. So here we have the 8-point star filter. We'll test it out. There's no spotlight here now, but we can test it out on the sunlight. Let's see if it works, or any effect on the sunlight. Okay, I'm not sure it's having any effect, but we can test it out. I hope I have a video footage of that, of the sunlight. Anyway, we may need this to do this on another filter, another day, maybe at night. There's spotlights to look at, so I'm not sure you're getting that, but we shall see in the video footage from the Osmo. So the third lens is a variable ND filter, which you can test it out and check out the density by adjusting the filter. So let's set it to the minimum, which is there. That's the minimum, and look at that, minimum, and then we shall adjust the angle, and you can see as it goes. Yep, it brings it down. It brings the sun down, and oh, that's maximum. This is the maximum, and look at that. There seems to be a shadow, right? Somewhere here, which is halfway. I don't think it can go to. You see the difference? If I put it to maximum. Okay, what's that? Let's see. There's a leak there, right? So is it difference? If I put it to minimum, yep, it's brighter. So as you can see, I turn, it becomes darker, and that's half. So this is the darkest I can go. Because I get shadows, so maybe the proprietary screw-on filter might be better. I'm not sure. Let's have a look at that in the video footage from the Osmo later on. Alright, the last lens filter I have is the Cpl, and we shall screw it on and see how does the Cpl handle with this 52mm frame. Is it better, more advisable to use a proprietary lens for Osmo action, or this adapter that I can use to the frame? So that's normally Cpl on water. Yeah, do you see the difference? And slowly turning. Okay, and you can see whether it's clearer. Does it have any effect? So we have to look at the footage from the Osmo, but again we'll try it on the sun, and if you see any difference with the Cpl. Does it bring out the clouds? Actually there's no clouds here, but there's haze. Yeah, it does. It does help with the haze. See? And now I can see the clouds better. With the Cpl, it does help. And how about reflection of the water? Okay, there's high reflection here because the sun is right in front, and you can see the difference between the rocks and the water. Yeah. Does it work? Yes, it's clearer with the Cpl. You can cut through the reflection. There will be less reflection of the water. Right? So it does work. So this is the lens test, and you see the lag on the camera on Osmo actually. There's a lag, right? Everyone's complaining about the lag. Can you see the lag? Anyway, I hope they fix this with another firmware update. So that's all for the lens testing. Okay, and this is the Cherating beach, and I hope y'all like what you see here with the lens test. Okay, so there you have it, the beach, but I'm not doing much of anything here because I'm not having any swimming gear with me, and I don't have the drone with me as well. So, but it's just nice walking around the beach. It's morning now, so it's not too hot. I reckon by lunchtime you'll be cooking here because of the haze as well as the sun. Actually the sun isn't too hot because of the haze as well, because haze is shielding the sunlight from its full capacity. So I think you're not gonna get fried anyway, so but you probably get your lungs clogged up by the haze. I'll be doing a few more unboxing videos when I get back from my holiday. There are a couple of items that I've just got hold of, including one controller that controls the aircon and helps you reduce the electric bill by monitoring the aircon capacity usage, and it's connected to your phone, so you can trigger the aircon to switch on even before you reach home, so that when you reach home, then your room or your house is cold. So we'll have a look at that. I'll do that when I get back to Singapore on the condo. I'll try it out. So this is a short video, and I hope you like it. This is Cherating, Kams Surf Beach. So okay, have a nice day everyone. See you.